Hi, Mary.
Good morning. Okay, so roll that around a little bit just to get it where the thread is gonna stay on there. And then you put it in between those two things there, then you pull the little thread down and feed it into those two things. And you've already removed the thread from all the bottom things. So now you just tighten this. Oh, wait a minute. It got twisted there. Okay. All right. Just tighten it and then loosen this little knob here. And put your, oh, excuse me, Georgie. Put your foot on this, and away the bobbin goes. Maybe I shouldn't make it so much so it'll be so long before you have to do it again.
That's fine.
Okay. All right, and then you just undo this, pull this little lever out so that it will release the bobbin. Well, I'm having trouble getting it.
Mm-hmm.
And then you tighten this back up and you put it back inside here in the little bullet thing and pull this down. And of course, you have to break the thread. And you pull that down until it catches. And then you pull this through like that so that it's over to the left instead of underneath the right. And then make sure the bobbin in area is visible. Place that back in there. And then you have to redo this. Now I'm questioning myself. Am I doing this right? I think I am after all these years. Here, over here, put it, just kind of work it till it comes in there around that little hook. If my glasses worked better on seeing small things, I could do it. And then you have to thread the needle, which I cannot see.
Okay.
And then just roll the wheel a little bit until it picks up what's in the bobbin and brings it through the little hole underneath the needle.
All right.
Okay?
Thank you.
Bye-bye.